Are you looking to start selling your products online? Well, discover how to sell on Shopify and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce business. In this video, I'll walk you through every step of how to sell your products on Shopify, ensuring a smooth and successful launch. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to Shopify, then I have a special offer for you. You can get your first month off Shopify for just $1 if you use my link down in the description of this video. So take advantage of my offer, click the link, and with that in mind, let's get started. Understanding Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform designed to help you build and customize your online store. It offers various plans tailored to different business needs, making it accessible for both small businesses and large enterprises. Now, the best part is that you can start with a 3-day trial to explore its features and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the most appealing aspects of Shopify is that you don't need to know how to code or have any technical expertise. Shopify provides a vast library of themes, both free and paid, which makes the design process straightforward. These themes are very customizable, allowing you to create a store that reflects your brand's identity. Notably, some of the world's biggest brands like Kappa, Tefal, and Southern Living use Shopify themes, demonstrating their effectiveness and versatility. So, who should sell on Shopify? Well, Shopify is ideal for anyone looking to start their e-commerce journey or expand an existing online business. Whether you're a dropshipper, a private label Amazon seller, an eBay seller, a handmade artisan, or a brick-and-mortar business owner, Shopify offers the tools and flexibility you need to succeed. Costs of using Shopify. Shopify offers 3 main pricing plans. The basic plan, this plan costs $19 per month and is perfect for solo entrepreneurs. You can start with a 3-day trial and then just pay $1 for your first month. Now, second one is Shopify plan at $49 per month. This plan includes additional features suitable for growing businesses. And then we have the advanced plan, priced at $299 per month. This plan is ideal for larger businesses with more complex needs. Now, unlike other platforms like Amazon or eBay, Shopify doesn't charge selling fees. Instead, you only pay for the subscription and payment processing fees. This means more of your sales revenue stays with you, increasing your profitability. Setting up your Shopify store. Creating your Shopify store is simple and can be done without any technical skills. Begin by signing up for the free trial and following the setup wizard. The wizard guides you through the initial steps, including selecting your store's name and choosing a theme. You can pick from a variety of themes that cater to different types of businesses, whether you're selling a single product or a wide range of items. Customizing your store's appearance is straightforward. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand's look and feel. And if you're not satisfied with the free themes, Shopify offers numerous premium themes that provides advanced customization options. And by the way, I have a video on how to customize your Shopify store, which I'm going to link either here or here. Product listing and inventory management. Effective product listings are crucial for attracting and converting customers. To create compelling listings, you need high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing. Shopify makes it easy to add and manage products. Each product listing should include a descriptive title that clearly indicates what the product is, a detailed description highlighting the product's features and benefits, high-quality images, and, if possible, videos that showcase the product. Accurate pricing and inventory information. Managing inventory on Shopify is also user-friendly. You can track stock levels, set up notifications for low inventory, and manage multiple product variations. This ensures you never run out of stock and can fulfill orders promptly. Payments and shipping options. Setting up payments on Shopify is straightforward. The platform supports various payment gateways, including its own Shopify Payments, which simplifies the process with flat rate fees. You can also integrate third-party payment processors if you prefer. Shopify Payments allows you to accept credit and debit card payments, as well as alternative methods like PayPal. Now, shipping is another critical aspect of your online store. Shopify provides flexible shipping options, allowing you to set flat rates, weight-based rates, or real-time carrier rates. You can also integrate with third-party logistics providers to streamline your shipping process. This flexibility ensures you can offer competitive shipping rates and options to your customers. Marketing and SEO strategies. Driving traffic to your Shopify store requires effective marketing and SEO strategies. Shopify's built-in SEO features help improve your store's visibility in search engine results. Here are some tips to optimize your store for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions. Customize meta tags and URLs to include important keywords. Create high-quality, informative content that adds value to your customers. Marketing your store effectively involves leveraging various channels. Social media is a powerful tool for driving traffic and engaging with customers. Shopify integrates seamlessly with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, allowing you to promote your products across multiple channels. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Use Shopify's email marketing tools to send targeted campaigns and newsletters to your customers. Offering promotions and discounts can also attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases. Shopify makes it easy to create and manage discount codes and special offers. Enhancing customer experience. A positive customer experience is essential for retaining customers and driving sales. Shopify's user-friendly interface ensures a smooth shopping experience. Here are some tips to enhance customer experience on your Shopify store. Use responsive themes that look great both on desktop and mobile devices. Provide detailed product information, including high-quality images and videos. Ensure easy navigation and a fast checkout process. Customer support is another crucial aspect of a successful online store. Shopify offers 24/7 support via live chat and email, ensuring you can resolve any issues quickly. This superior support helps you maintain a positive relationship with your customers and build trust. Analyzing performance and growth. Tracking your store's performance is essential for making informed decisions and driving growth. Shopify provides powerful analytics tools that give you insights into your sales, traffic, and customer behavior. Use this data to identify trends, understand customer preferences, and adjust your strategies accordingly. As your business grows, you may need to upgrade your Shopify plan to access additional features and support. Shopify's flexibility allows you to scale your business easily, ensuring you have the tools and resources needed to succeed. Advantages and disadvantages of selling on Shopify. Advantages. Shopify is incredibly easy to set up and use. The platform's user-friendly design and customizable templates makes it accessible even for those without technical skills. You can design your store to match your brand's identity, creating a unique shopping experience for your customers. Unlike platforms like Amazon, Shopify doesn't charge selling fees. You only pay for the subscription and payment processing fees, which means you keep more of your profits. Additionally, Shopify offers excellent customer support with 24/7 assistance available via live chat and email. This ensures any issues you encounter can be resolved quickly. The Shopify App Store is another significant advantage. It offers a wide range of apps that can add functionality to your store, from order integration and sale countdown timers to product bundling tools. These apps can help you enhance your store's performance and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Disadvantages. While Shopify's basic plan is affordable, costs can rise if you need advanced features, with the advanced plan priced at $299 per month. Additionally, many apps in the Shopify App Store are not free, potentially increasing monthly expenses. The platform offers only 12 free themes, which may lack some advanced customization options available in paid themes. Shopify also doesn't provide a custom business email address, requiring you to set it up separately through a service like Google Workspace. Despite these limitations, Shopify's robust features and support can still make it a valuable investment for your business. So, selling your products on Shopify is a great way to start or grow your e-commerce business. With its user-friendly interface, customizable themes, and robust support, Shopify provides everything you need to succeed. And don't forget that if you would like to take advantage of my special offer where you can get your first month of Shopify for just $1, you can use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.